Hi, my name is Allison Sigler. I've been coming to Van Every for a few years for just overall chiropractic care, lots of back treatment, things like that. But this week I actually sprained my ankle. I had a 3-day conference and a Tigers game, and I didn't want to miss out, so I came right in. After one adjustment, the night before I could not even walk or stand on it. After one adjustment, I was able to still attend all of my events, and by the following day, was just able to walk on my foot normally. Swelling had all gone away. So just really, something that you might not think of in terms of chiropractic, but that was really helpful as well.